episode is Drew Pickles pulled the fire alarm and gets grounded. Hello, my name is Drew Pickles, and today, I'm going to pull the fire alarm at the school. Fa 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 fa. Okay, now it's time to pull down the bull station.
Attention please. A fire has been reported in the building. While this is verified, please leave building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use elevators.
Oh no, it's the principal.
That's right. You've been caught by me. Drew Pickles, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know you're not supposed to do that at all. That's it, go home now, while I call Grandpa Pickles. Later, after Grandpa Pickles been called about what happened. God damn it, this is getting out of hand.
Drew Pickles, I've been getting a phone call from the principal saying that you pulled the fire alarm. You know this is a crime against the law.
But Dad, I thought this is supposed to be a funny prank.
Shut up! I don't want to hear about it, young man. Besides, you could even get arrested for pulling down the fire alarm. I'm really angry at you. Based on your actions and the phone call that I received about you, you are grounded. Now go upstairs to your room.